Hello, Sula here from mistyhilltops.com and thanks for stopping by. In this video I will show you how I create a traveler's notebook layout entitled Every Day as a Gift. I'll be scrapping this photo and I'll use this paper pack Sweet Delight from Rosie's Studio. So here I have my pieces ready and I'm starting as usual with distressing the edges of my background paper because it will give more dimension to my page, and I'm using a card to do that so that I don't need to get a fancy distressing tool. So once I have this ready, I'm actually going to arrange everything already on the page the way that I want, and I have to keep in mind that this is 2 pages of a traveler's notebook layout, and so there will be a cut through the middle of the page because it's actually 2 halves of one layout. So when I glue this paper on, I have to pay attention that the pages align very well, because in the end I will cut them apart again, but I basically treat this page as one single scrapbook page that is in the end ends up being 8 1/4 by 8 1/2 inches. So I do like to do that with my traveler's notebook pages, to treat them like one single page rather than 2 separate pages, although I do scrap both ways, and I like the versatility that traveler's notebooks are able to give. So here I'm just arranging everything, and I need to make sure that enough glue is on, and I do like when my pattern papers are visible. And so this actually, the flowers, there was a stamp that I then colored with colored pencil, and so that goes there, and then the photo will go on top of that. And then I have a few die cut pieces. Actually, the banner or the bunting there, I just fussy cut from one of the pattern pieces of paper. It just had this bunting already on there. And then this is a die cut, or these are 2 die cuts of flower pots that I just used. And then this is a stamped piece that has a little bit of watercolor on the background, and then some word strips. Here I make sure that a word is not cut off in the middle of the word when I cut the page apart again. So sometimes I like to make sure that where the cut will actually be in my design, because I'm very much aware that there will be a cut in the design. So at any rate, here go a few more word stickers that I created, and now it's time to cut apart the page, and that's it. It's all done. And so I hope you like this. I will leave you with a few more close-ups, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.